Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making Italian bruschetta or bruschetta, which is super easy. There's only a few ingredients, so check the description box for details. Let's get started by dicing up our tomatoes. I'm using 4 tomatoes today, but feel free to use more or less. You can also dice them whatever size you prefer. Now this recipe is more so truly based on personal preferences for amount. Now place the tomatoes in a medium-sized bowl and set it to the side. Grab your basil and stack 4 to 5 leaves on top of one another. Carefully roll up the basil and slice it into ribbons. This ensures that the basil is not crushed. This technique is called chiffonade. Once you're done, add the basil to your bowl of tomatoes. Now let's get ready to jazz it up a bit. Here I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic to my bowl of tomatoes and another 1 tablespoon into a smaller bowl. Now add 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and spread it around. Lastly, add a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to your tomato bowl and add an additional 2 tablespoons to the smaller bowl as well, and give it a good stir, then set it to the side. Alright, now grind some Himalayan pink salt and crushed pepper into your tomato bowl, then thoroughly mix everything together. Place the bowl in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes to chill. Alright, it's time to switch gears and prep our bread. Here I have a French baguette and I'm going to cut it in about a dozen slices. I also like to cut at an angle because it gives slightly prettier slices. The thickness you cut them at is up to you, but I prefer a mix of both thick and thin and in between. Once you're done cutting the bread, place them on a cookie sheet. Here's how I have them arranged. Alright, take out your small bowl of garlic and olive oil, and using a pastry brush, brush the tops of the bread with the garlic olive oil mix. Once done, flip the bread over and do this side as well. Now top your bread with some shredded Parmesan cheese or an Italian style mix of cheese as I am. I love cheese, so I'm putting on quite a bit on top. Here's a quick look at them. Now place your cookie sheet in the oven at 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Then without opening the oven door, broil the bread for about 2 minutes. Here's how they look once out the oven. Now it's time to put everything together. When serving bruschetta for a party, I leave the bread and toppings separate so that everybody can make their own. This is how it looks once plated. When making a serving for myself, I'll arrange a few bread slices on a plate and top them generously with the tomato mix, then drizzle with a bit more olive oil. And there you have it, Italian bruschetta. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.